Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot fudge pie. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup, which is 1 stick of butter softened, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and a half a cup of all-purpose flour. And then you also want to have some kind of pie pan, cake pan, whatever you want to use, and go ahead and spray that with cooking spray. So let's preheat our oven to 350 and get our electric mixer ready to go. Alright, next we are going to use our electric mixer and beat together the butter and sugar until it is light and fluffy, so it's about 3 minutes. Okay, now we are going to add in the eggs and vanilla extract and mix those on low until it is well combined. Okay, now go ahead and add in the cocoa, the pinch of salt, and the flour. And we're going to mix that again. Alright, that looks great. I just took a spatula to scrape down my sides so everything is well combined. And now we are going to go ahead and put that into our pie plate that we sprayed with the cooking spray. Just pour that in and spread it out evenly and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Alright, that's ready to go into the oven. Like I said, 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clear. Okay, my hot fudge pie has come out of the oven and it's cooled for at least 10 minutes. And now I am going to go ahead and cut a slice and add some ice cream on it and see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Hi, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yum, yum.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.